Henry McClure Live. Hey, look at that. A friendly reminder to my Home Depot customers, shoppers, friends. They'll be closing tonight at 7 o'clock. This might go out to JoJo. He's a late worker, hard charger. Doesn't get up till noon. Just kidding. But anyway, holiday party. You know, Home Depot, we ought to take a look at Home Depot. I kind of maybe think I sold their stock premature. Good Republicans, good people. Also, they got it packed. We got to talk to them. We have to talk to them so we make sure that we replace Laura. You know, Laura is the equivalent of what Jack Kemp is to the Democrats, from what I understand. Don't know too much about their party. With everything that's been going on, with everything their leader has done, I don't know how you recruit people to join that club. Sinners are welcome. Well, I'm getting an early start at it. They got a really neat light in here that will be like my battery will hook onto it. The rigid tools. Got here a little early. I love Home Depot. You know, some days I just love it because like you're a part of the project. It's back to being a tenant construction coordinator for Mace Rich, working for Henry Nathan Sims. To my Mace Rich buddies. Let's see, who'd be up at this hour? Wait, I know Lance. I think Lance is in Louisville. Is that Eastern time? But you know Lance ain't out of bed. He ain't out of the rack by now. He's working for the bourbon guys. His son's a big bourbon distributor. That Blue Dog Democrat. Anyway, good morning. They ought to be letting me in the door. Ought to get a prize. Want a free hat? Not really. Henry McClure Live.